I got her name wrong.
It's okay. You didn't put her names. It's okay. I'm sure. I'm sure Melissa, aka Melanie, will not mind. Okay. Now, which part? Which part is this? This is the duodenum. Okay, which is the first part of the small intestine, and we have it down into 4 layers. From here to here is mucosa.
We're having technical difficulties. Sorry. Okay.
Technical difficulty.
Yeah. Okay, we're back now.
Are we back on the air now?
You were back on.
Back on
Back
air.
online? So, from here to here is mucosa. From here to here is submucosa. And from here to here is muscularis externa. And the outer part here is the serosa. Okay?
Bottom part?
This outer part, right? The yellow and the orange one, right here. Now, in the mucosa, we have the villi, and then we have 3 distinctive layers. First, we have the epithelium, which is simple columnar, right? With goblet cells. And then we have the filling, which is that gray part right here. Go through each villus like this. All this gray stuff is lamina propria. And here we have very large lacteal vessel, lymphatic vessel, which is called lactea.
The green part.
The green one, right here, the lactea.
And what does it do again?
That will be for absorption of fat
Okay.
from the small intestine, the lipid, correct. And then, so we said we have 3 sublayers for the mucosa. From here to here is mucosa. We have 3 layers. Epithelium, which is the lining, simple columnar, then the lamina propria with the lacteal in them, okay? And then the muscularis mucosae, right where I am now, which is the smooth muscle layer of the mucosa. Only this piece right here. Right here. Alright?
Okay.
Then we go to the submucosa. What do we have? We have artery, vein, and the yellow stuff is basically nerves. The green stuff are lymphatic vessels, okay? And then we have 2 distinctive structures here. This one is lymphoid follicle, or MALT, M-A-L-T, which is mucosa associated lymphatic tissue. Remember that? The MALT, okay? And then we have here, this will be the submucosal glands right here, which, since we're in the duodenum, it has 3 other names: duodenal glands, mucus secreting glands, or Brunner's. And you can see them in a cross section. And that will help you to see that on the slide. On the slide, you can see cross section of the submucous glands, which will be very characteristic for the duodenal slide. Okay? Then, after that, you lost something
Yep.
here. Then we have the muscularis externa. Very different from this. So this is a completely distinctive layer, which made of 2 types of smooth muscle. Inner circular, goes like a circle. If you can see it in a section here.
Where is it?
This one.
Okay.
This is cut in a cross section, but it goes around like that. And then longitudinal, outer longitudinal. Okay? And then after that you have the serosa. If you're wondering about that yellow stuff here, I can explain it, but you don't need to know it. It's called the myenteric plexus, which the layman term for it, they call it the brain.